Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's find the security and privacy. Here we have to enter additional settings, and as you can see in the device administration, at the second position we've got the unknown sources. So all you have to do, and all you can do actually in this device, is to simply tap on the switcher in order to activate all unknown sources. As you can see here, we've got the warning that your device and personal data will be more vulnerable, so you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you just may put the data and your device under risk. So simply tap on OK, and since it is active, your device will be allowed to install something from non-official apps. And unfortunately, it is not divided into particular apps, it is simply in general. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.